Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a reputable VPN with fast servers and a strict no-logs policy. This protects your account and data. Once subscribed, install the app on your device, Android, iOS, Windows, or Mac OS, and sign in. Make sure to enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection in settings so your real IP never leaks. After that, choose a nearby server in the permitted region to minimize latency. This gets you ready for logging into Dream11. You now connect to the optimal server. Pick a low-ping server in a permitted country to reduce lag and avoid account flags. Once connected, clear the Dream11 app cache and fully restart the app so it reads the new IP and region. If you use multiple apps, enable split tunneling to route only Dream11 through the VPN or use a dedicated IP for stability. Make sure location services are off or match the VPN region. This prevents mismatched signals. Finish by verifying your IP and DNS with a leak test so Dream11 sees the VPN region. Do this before making deposits or joining contests. If you encounter blocks, switch servers, change the VPN protocol, or use a dedicated IP to regain access. Once everything works, keep the VPN app updated and monitor speed during live matches to avoid disconnects. One quick tip: if you still have issues, restart your device and reconnect using a different server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.